and his star is definitely on the rise. Except for Blxckie, welcome to the Midday Link Up. You well?
What's going on, my brother? You good?
I am blessed, brother. Thank you so much, and I'm absolutely looking forward to your performance. Just without giving it all away, can you maybe give us a hint as to what we can expect this afternoon?
I think the very, definition of unplugged, we trying to strip down the songs like to its bare bones. That's what we're trying to do right now, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I enjoy it, you know what I mean? As a new guy, also, shout out to Zoe out here. Yeah, we're just gonna have a good time.
Much love to the entire team. My brother, listen, I haven't had the pleasure. I am meeting you for the first time, and the privilege is mine. So for those who perhaps are like me and are not familiar with your vibe, your style, your sound, I mean, we bang your singles here on Metro FM, but can you maybe give us like an overview of just the kind of musician that you are?
Okay, so people know me from like a very like hip-hop side, like very trap sort of thing. Like that was my first like big song, big time slap from Lucas Rives. But then as time went on, I think I just started getting into more musical type of things. And yeah, just the sound is elevated to just a whole different level right now. I do a lot of R&B, a lot of quiet door sort of stuff, you know what I mean? So I just try to branch out and do different things, and it seems to be working. A lot of it is going crazy.
Brother, I have no doubts that it is going crazy. We're gonna be going crazy enjoying the sounds now. So without any further ado, South Africa, I present to you Blxckie. Take it away, brother.
Yes, sir. So right now I'm gonna start with a little song from my debut album. It's called Mama's Bad. It's the first song. My favorite song actually on the album. Side. This nigga's a session, now we mad, got it slide. Don't even know what to go grab, was my life. When all I praise that at the end, I have my life. So lost, I don't know where to find me. And these problems, they keep on piling. I know God works in perfect timing. I just bowed down and went in line for my blessings. And I don't mind, it's a last. So many sacrifices for my destiny. I know that they wild and pray for my demise, but I'm so caught up in my own. I'm better alone. How I got so far, I don't know. I trusted the process. Oh, my heart stay open. Told myself to see both sides of the lens. Told myself that I won't die, I'm relentless. And that shit I've seen with my eyes. See the way. Oh, mama, it's bad by my side. This nigga says some shit, now we mad, got it slide. Don't even know what to go right, what's my life. And all our things that at the end, I have my life. So far, I've been so silent. I've been chilled out, yeah, not so violent. Red roses and blue violets. Red roses and... But what am I supposed to do when niggas test me? And I'm not supposed to lose, I learned my lesson. I feel like I be stuck in a loop, where I be seeing the same things over and over, right? My heart cold, but it could be colder, right? I told her that we getting closer, right? Like, I'm focused, I be taking my own advice. My blessings be falling right out. Oh, baby, are you ready for your blessings? Are you ready for your miracles? Are you ready for your blessings? Are you ready for your miracles? Oh, mama, it's bad by my side. This nigga says some shit, now we mad, got it slide. I don't even know what to go right, what's my life. And all I praise that in the end, I say, are you ready for your blessings? Are you ready for your miracles? Are you ready for your blessings? Are you ready for your miracles? No, no, no. kiss, money talk, favorite conversation. Do a lot, I already say. I say I ain't half that is patient. Niggas might tryna do the same. I don't mind, I know niggas cry to get to the top just to get their name. And I just spend some sacrifices that I know they won't make, so it's not a nigga you can play with. Give a stone on me like David. I can tell you how my day went. I woke up and got to the kick, yes, oh, drip on me, I leak like a full cup. I'm kicking shit like Jet Li, karate chop. I look at my enemies and ask them, yo, what's up? How the hell you niggas hate on me when I'm on my way up? Thought I told you it's me, nigga, only y'all don't hit my arteries. I look around, I'm hearing the sound that no nigga going as hard as me. Yeah, I was a rapper, the Leo, the trap was that he had to leave. But the fact it wasn't even a solo, we had to choose him or me. But it's Blxckie that's closer to the dream. How they packing these bags, shit was deep. That's my slime, my slave family. Told them my nigga, we gon' get it anyway. But some real niggas and the women take. Yeah, came a long, long way. I swear that God will almost make a way. I woke up and got to the cake, yes, money talk, favorite conversation. Do a lot, I already say. I say I ain't half that is patient. Niggas might tryna do the same. I don't mind, I know niggas cry to get to the top just to get their name. And I just spend some sacrifices that I know they won't make, so stop. Not a nigga you can play with. Give a stone on me like David. I can tell you how my day went. I woke up and got to the cake, yes, like a full cup, kicking it like Jet Li. Teacher, and I look at my enemies and ask them yours. How the hell you hate on me when I'm on my way up? Once we go to the next song, that's a brand new one. I don't think people know it yet. Actually unreleased. I just want to try it out. If you're listening, shout out to you. If you're watching, I know I'm live right now. Shout out to you. Yeah, let's get into it. It's a smooth head. That's a bad man, my brother Figure also. Shout out to LD. Oh yes. Yeah. I run it up, I got the bands on, alright. I go to shop, I don't got worry about no price. You know with me, you can't just do what you like. You got the drugs, you about to turn up all night. Nah. I try to tell you about the baddies, alright. Inside your bag, you got them tinies, alright. I try to tell you about the baddies, oh nah. I go to shop, I don't got worry about no price. You know with me, you can't just do what you like. You got them drugs, you about to turn up all night, nah. I see the look up in your face, you really did it. I have a problem with your friends, they really don't care about how you live every day, oh baby, no. You said if I got a problem, I got a voice. But see, it doesn't matter, it's just a noise. Had to pull up on you now, girl, I had no choice. Why? Oh girl, you don't know how to act, girl, you change your ways. You see stuff for me too, girl, I had no place. You see stuff for me too, girl, I had to wait for you. I got it up, I got the rides on, alright. I go to shop, I don't got worry about no price. You know with me, you can't just do what you like. You got your drugs, you about to turn up all night, nah. I try to tell you about the baddies, alright. Inside your bag, you got them daddies, alright. I try to tell you about the baddies, oh nah. Oh yeah, the weed, I didn't lead enemies. Messy up so much, you don't even know me. Messy up so much, you not know my me. Oh baby, take my lead. Not even stop, we ain't got mileage. I can tell a lie, it's the truth when I breathe. I can tell a lie, it's the truth when I speak. Hey. Oh yeah, the weed, I didn't lead enemies. What I knows you ain't resting a week. I was running while you ain't call me or text me. You was playing soft, I was on to the next league. I can visit you when you got off that X pill. First of all, you want, you got me and I got you. Don't know what I be, what I do if I lost you. I run it up, I got the bands on, alright. I go to shop, but I'm not worried about no price. You know with me, you can't just do what you like. You got them drugs, you about to turn up all night. Nah, nah. I try to tell you about the baddies, alright. Inside your bed, you got them baddies, alright. I try to tell you about the baddies, oh nah, oh nah. I go to shop, but I'm not worried about no price. You know with me, you can't just do what you like. You got the dress, you about to turn up all night, nah, nah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, the beat and the lead and the beat. Miss you up so much you don't even know me. Miss you up so much you don't know by me. Hey.
At Spa, we're doing everything we can to bring you the savings you need with 3
hours match play.
Winter just got hotter with this red hot deal from Vodacom. Get set.